In this quick tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to blur images in Photoshop, the step-by-step tutorial guide. So let's move. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tips. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to blur any part of images in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so this particular image right here, I'm going to blur the face of this particular image. So what I need to do is to make sure the image layer is active, just like what you see right here. Now, when the image layer is active, next thing you want to do is to come to your toolbar right here. Then you have to click and hold down. Then you need to locate lasso tool. Then having selected your lasso tool, so you can use lasso tool to select the area you want to blur from the image. So I'm going to select only the face of this particular image right here. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do right here is to make sure I go to the home tab right here. I will make sure I click on filter, then I will locate blur. This time around I will make use of Gaussian blur. Then right here I will simply control the radius. So the radius depends on how you want the blur to be effect on the image. So if you want everything to blur, then you have to make sure you control it to be blur from the radius right here. Okay, I'm satisfied with the 30%. Then I'm going to click on OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I come to the top right here from the select. Then I'll make sure I choose the select, or you press Ctrl D. It's as simple as that. Then you can use this method to blur any part of image or any part of document in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.